Hello. I'm Michael.
I'm Lynn.
And welcome to our house.
Theme of the house is actually modern luxe. And back then when we were doing a renovation, so there was a lot of inspirations from fluted panels. So we wanted to incorporate that as part of our modern luxe design. And we have a very long piece of wall which I think is very suitable for like a feature wall. And because I didn't want like parts of the house to look very dark due to the wood, we also incorporated some white marble into the kitchen for some luxe elements.
That will be the feature wall, as you can see, and the bedroom. And one of the most favorite will be the mirror.
Our idea, I'm very impressed with him because I think he's very responsible. One thing is, even sometimes when I text him in the night, he still replies to my text even at 12 and 1 a.m. And even after we finish the entire renovation, we discover some small little problems that need fixing. He gave us an answer right away. He didn't leave us hanging or ignore us, and I think I'm very grateful for that. Yeah.
Very responsive. The renovation journey with him as our interior designer was actually quite pleasant. It was quite smooth, however, because due to COVID-19, especially during this period of time, it doesn't seem to make things as smooth as it is because of some delay in the transportation of the goods and for the renovation process. However, so far, I would say in the overall experience, it's been well, it's been good, and I think thankful for him being so responsible, being so responsive and able to handle our concerns. That's why we are able to have this house successfully, is it? Of course.
Sure, for sure.
For
and
sure.
I will definitely engage him again in my next house. So nice, this design is quite timeless. I think I can live here for quite a long time.
You guys have the idea of what your house, the design, the theme that you would like to go to before engaging any interior design, because you do not want to halfway through keep going back and forth related to your design and not having the renovation start. Bye!
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.